The Office of the Ombudsman is currently conducting a physical inventory as part of the agency's effort in fighting corruption. This following the discovery of alleged parking, not of some cars, but of hundreds of cases filed against high-ranking officials that were left hanging and pending. Rod Lagused has the full report.
The Office of the Ombudsman wants to put an end to the so-called parking in the agency or the prolonged delay in pending complaints. According to the anti-graft body, around 350 cases involving high-ranking officials are currently pending upon the assumption of Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla in the agency. According to Assistant Ombudsman Miko Clavana, the longest pending case they have seen has been for 12 years.
There are reports about that scheme, no, na may pinapark na kaso dito, and obviously yung kahulugan nun is hindi pinapagalaw ang kaso, no. And I think yun po talaga ang magiging result, no, nung bagong rules, na wala nang mangyayaring ganung parking dahil makikita na ho natin in one glance kung alin ang mga kaso ang tumatagal sa bawat stage.
Under the new process, fact-finding will now take only 90 days and preliminary investigation just 60 days. The Office of the Ombudsman is currently conducting a physical inventory of pending cases across all its offices nationwide. Clavano said this is part of the agency's effort in fighting corruption. In addition to this, the agency also aims to implement digitalization. With this, the status of complaints can immediately be seen from the evaluation stage, fact-finding preliminary investigation, and even cases already filed in court.
We wanted to make sure that we had a good grasp of our inventory para malaman ho natin kung ano yung mga kaso na kailangan pang i-resolve. The marching orders of the Ombudsman is to make sure that we have zero backlog.
Clavano emphasized that this is important, especially since those who will retire from government will need clearance from the agency. The office encourages complainants, respondents, or their authorized representatives who have pending cases filed with the agency to help by providing details of their cases. The deadline for submission of details is until June 19. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.